Hello, hi guys! Magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat, guys. This is alas 12 na, no? So, tignan natin ang pinaka-messages advices sa'yo. So, this is a special gabay for the month of November 6 hanggang November 15 for the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys sa mga walang sawag suporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik tiglig nag-uumapaw ang manambalik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po. And of course, umpisahan na natin ang laban for the sign of Aquarius. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ako ng pasabog-bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid nating Aquarius. There is a Six of Wands, sa victory and success. Pasabog, victory and success ka agad. Wala pa ka tayo sa exciting part And of course, there is a justice. Diba? Kabog? Justice will be served. Maaring, makuha mo talaga yung inaasam-asam mo at matagal mo nang hangarin. And of course, na sinasabi sa inyo, Tina, baka magtatagumpay ka sa larangan na ginagawa mo, no? Negosyo o hanap buhay man yan, trabaho, na maaaring magdala sa iyo ng hustisya. Diba? Hustisya. Charis, a justice. Additional messages. And of course, there's Ten of Swords. No? Ibig sabihin, there's a backstabbing. No? Maaari kaya pala na mayroong hustisya dito dahil some of you guys tinatraidor or maraming backstab. No? Maging aware ka. No? Marami siguro yung gitara sa paligid mo. And of course, there's a Six of Pentacles about sa finances. So, ibig sabihin dito, magtutuloy-tuloy naman daw. So, pasabog talaga. No? Parang there's an information na good and bad energy dito. Na parang sinasabi dito na magtutuloy-tuloy about sa finances. Pero, 'di ba, meron talagang anay talaga sa hanay, no? Kumaga meron kang kailangan na alisin or something, kailangan mo maging aware. And of course, there's Two of Wands, there's a decisions. And of course, tignan mo yung magiging magandang kahihinatan or possibilities, no? Kumbaga tingnan mo yung both side of situations, no? Kumbaga tingnan mo agad yung bigger future kung ano yung magiging magandang resulta, gano'n, no? Kailangan maging wise and of course advance. Additional messages. And of course, there's a Nine of Cups. There's an offer, no? There's an offer na sinasabi dito na, kumbaga, kailangan mo mamili or kailangan mo mag-take ng actions, diba? Kailangan mo mag-decision dito. And of course, itong offer na to, kailangan mautak at kailangan piliin mo yung magiging maganda ang resulta. So, let's see what is Six of Wands. Six of Wands represent the Nine of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a final push, no? Kumbaga, etong victory mo, kumbaga, sinasabi na kailangan mong dumaan sa tamang proseso, no? Kumbaga, talagang pagdadaanan mo talaga. Baka, some of you nag-worries ka, bakit ganito, ganyan, yung mga nangyayari sa'yo, puro struggles, or something problema, or obstacles, failure, kasi, pagdadaanan mo talaga yan kasi hindi mo matututunan yung isang bagay nang hindi ka nagkakamali o hindi ka nabibigo. And of course, there's Four of Cups. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. Kumbaga, pangarap mo na may isa katuparan o pangarap mo makuha yung talagang para sa'yo, no? And of course, there's a justice na sinasabi na ang hustisya ay nasa sa'yo, no? And of course, what is the Ten of Swords? What is the Ten of Swords? Ten of Swords represents the strength card, no? Strongest energy. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. And of course, have confidence. Kumbaga, dito ka kasi nila susubukan, no? Kumbaga, titignan kung duwag ka or something, no? Kumbaga, parang inaano nila na natatakot ka sa situation or sa, kumbaga parang doon ka nila ibabackstab, kaya kailangan maging matapang, kakapalan mo yung mukha mo dito, no, ganon. So, what is the Six of Pentacles? And of course, there's a Knight of Wands, slow and steady, no? Panatiliin maging mahinahon, kalmado, no? Para hindi ka magkakamali. Kumbaga, at the same time, para hindi ka nakakahatak ng negative energy. Kasi magtutuloy-tuloy na raw about sa finances. Let's see what is the Two of Wands. The Two of Wands represent the Five of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a lot of conflict or failure or something na struggles or competitors. So, kailangan maging aware ka. Kailangan yung pagdidesisyonan mo, alam mo yung grounds mo. At alam mo yung power mo, no? Kasi kumbaga dito susubukan kang yung limitations about sa patience, no? Kailangan alam mo yung pasensya o habaan mo yung pasensya o panatiliing kalmado. What is the Knight of Cups? A Knight of Cups represent the Five of Cups. Kumbaga, there's a lot of regret. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa dito, itong offer na to, kailangan maging aware ka din, no? Kumbaga, kasi mamaya, pagsisiya mo sa huli kasi hindi ka nag-take ng, hindi mo tinake granted tong opportunities na to or something na hindi mo nilaban. So, some of you baka, tinasabi na tignan mo yung magiging positive result or something negative result ng situation. Kailangan maging balance ka. So, let's see what is Six of Wands and of course the Knight of Wands. So, there's the Sun card. There's a pure positivity. At magkakaroon ka ng pure positive outcome. No? Kumbaga, magtiyaga ka lang. So, perseverance ang talagang, dito. Give. And of course, there's a Justice. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands. A Knight of Cups. There's a Knight of Pentacles. See? There's a blossoming abundance. Kumbaga, at the end of the time, mamamayagpag ang negosyo, trabaho mo. No? So, lalakas yan. So, what is Ten of Swords? And of course, the Strength card. Okay, there's a Eight of Pentacles. See? Kumbaga sa trabaho mo, marami daw backstabbing dyan. Maraming traidor. Kaya kailangan pag nasa trabaho ka, trabaho lang. Huwag ka nang makipag-nyismisan, me. No? Marami kasi sa trabaho mo, kumbaga pinaplastic ka or something na kailangan lang maging aware ka. Or some of you kumbaga kailangan about sa business mo, maging, kumbaga lakasan mo ang loob mo, no? And of course, kumbaga maging matapang ka dyan. Kasi susubukan niya yan kung bait-baitan ka or something. No? Hindi ka naman sinabi mang away ka, no? Kumbaga, lakasan mo lang yung pakiramdam mo sa mga tao pa-plastikin ka. So, let's see what is the Six of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands. So, there's a Six of Swords, there's a transition, no? Makakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon, no? Kumbaga, some of you nagkakaproblema sa finances. So, this is the time na makakaalis ka na sa kagipitan or something na utang, gano'n. So, let's see what is the Six of Wands. And of course, the Five of Wands. So, there's a Queen of Cups. Magkakaroon ka raw ng healing dito, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng balance. No, pagdating sa competitors, so sa mga clients or customers, something na, kumbaga susubukan kang guluhin or something, awayin or something, magbigay ng komplikado sa'yo, magkakaroon ka raw ng healing dyan. So, let's see what is the Queen of Cups and of course the Five of Cups. There's an Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning coming in for you. Magkakaroon daw to ng bagong simula. Itong decision mo na to, kumbaga mapupunta ka sa right way, no? Kumbaga yung tamang daan na tamang kay hinatnan, tama talaga yung decision mo. So, let's see what is the outcome. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Ten of Pentacles. Sa long-term success and long-term investment. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng pangmatagalan dito. At the same time, there's the Devil. No? Mag-ingat ka lang sa mga tukso. Mag-ingat ka lang sa mga negatibo. There's a Nine of Pentacles. There's a blossoming abundance. Kumbaga, Nine of Pentacles represent a practicality and security, no? Maging secure ka about sa finances mo. There's a Devil. Kumbaga, susubukan ka ng temptation or something, guys. Kumbaga, bakit hindi ka makaalis sa sitwasyon? Kumbaga, dahil merong gumagawa sa'yo ng negativity, no? Or sumpa or something negative energy. Kasi there's a Seven of Swords dito na sinasabi na there's a cheating on lying on you, no? Maraming na kumbaga kasama mo to or something na nakakausap mo, yung pala ginagawan ka ng kumbaga negative. Kaya parang inaalat ka or minamalas ka. Kaya pag nakakaramdam ka ng ganun, mag-cleansing ka na. So let's see what is a Love Oracle card. What is the love oracle card? I like you. So, some of you ha, parang yung person mo may gusto talaga sa'yo at mahal na mahal ka. And at the same time, or some of you guys ha, baka may knighting shining armor ka dyan, may taong may lihim na may pagtingin sa'yo. And of course, there's a camera. Kumbaga, there's a memories of reminiscence, no? Kumbaga na parang na, bumabalik-balik ang nakaraang katawag ito yung mga pinagdaanan. And of course, there's a girl with the snake. I told you, di ba? Itong 7 of Swords is a cheating, lying, or something, no? And of course, the 10 of Swords, backstabbing. Ito yung traidor, yung ahas. No? May ahas talaga. Talagang inaano talaga na may ahas na gumagawa sa'yo ng evil or negative energy. Kaya kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries. Let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. There is a seeds, no? Kumbaga, dapat alam mo yung iyong parang i-invest mo, no? Kailangan mag-invest. And of course, there's a masculine energy. May lihim talaga taong may gusto sa'yo. Mukhang ang hot, ang hot. And of course, some of you, if you are a Aquarius man, maaring talagang or something, there's a no, parang walang akong gender preferences dito. Parang sinasabi na it's either ikaw ay transgender or something, kumbaga bisexual, kumbaga there's a masculine energy dito or something, a gay, there's a masculine energy. And because there is a Venus for offer, no? May offer daw sa'yo na ibibigay dito. So, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages. Don't let past hold your back. Kaya pala may remnants, no? Kumbaga, wag mo na rin balikan yung nakaraan. Either your ex or something na yung mga nangyari, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a personal issues, reaches resolution. Masusolusyon na ng mga problemang pinagdadaanan mo. Wow, amen. So, let's see what is additional messages. Archangel Michael, messages for you. And pay attention to your dreams. No, kailangan tumutok ka sa pangarap mo. Yun doon ka lang talaga titingin. And of course, sa positive thoughts create a positive outcome. See, kailangan laging always positive, no, optimistic. And of course, there's a God is in charge, no? Maaring si God ay tinutulungan ka kaya pala may hustisya, no? So let's see what is additional messages for you. And of course, star, brother, so some of you, there's a trust, no? Magtiwala ka na you're also protected, no? And of course, kailangan mo siguro ng protections. And of course, a new earth is happening. Keep holding these visions. Ibig sabihin nito, nangyayari na nga. Diba? Kaya kailangan mag-aware ka. May backstabbing, may traidor. So, let's see what is additional messages. See, I told you, there's a cleansing. Kailangan mo talaga mag-cleansing. And of course, there's a clarity. Malalaman mo, mauunawaan mo yung nangyayari behind your back. And of course, there's a harvest time. Diba? Talagang malalasap mo talaga yung tinanim mong binhi, no? Tinanim mong eksena. And of course, there's a goddess inside. May pasilip sa'yo dito, no? Masisilip mo yung mga magiging possibilities. Let's see what is additional messages. There's a blame, di ba? Kung mag-i-accept mo or responsibilities mo yan, wala kayo ba sisisend kundi ikaw, di ba? Maaring dahil nagtiwala ka o naniwala ka, kaya kailangan aware ka dapat, no? And of course, there's a discipline. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng disiplina sa sarili mo. Even sa pag-iisip mo, no? Kailangan may mga bagay na kailangan mong i-set aside or something na kailangan mo i-analyze, no? So, let's see what is this energy. And of course, there's a for Chakra Archangel Raphael for healing. No, tutulungan ka daw dito ng Archangel Raphael for healing. And kasi appreciation. So, ibig sabihin, dapat marunong ka mag-appreciate ng mga bagay-bagay. Maliit man yan o malaki, no? Let's see what is the chakra. Let's see what is this chakra messages for you. Passion. So, some of you kumbaga, mas maganda raw yung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, no? And of course, there's a miracles. Wow, himala. Kaya pala there's a God is in charge. And justice will be served, no? Justice will be served. So, what is Archangel Raphael? Archangel Raphael, divine intervention, paalala. Kaya pala, no? May paalala sa'yo ang ating divine na, pay attentions. Kumbaga, maaring nananaginip ka na ng ahas or something, di ba? Kumbaga, kailangan maging aware ka na mayroong taong kinakausap mo, pinagkakatiwalaan mo na kumbaga, sumisira sa'yo or something na may lihim na gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. And of course, sinasabi dito na you're on the right path. Napanood mo tong reading na to at talagang tumugma sa'yo, no? Nasa tamang direction ka daw, no? Let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. At sinasabi dito, seek you first the kingdom of God and His righteousness and all things shall be added to you. See? Ipapakita muna sa iyo ni God lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo, no? Even yung mga kalungkutan at kabiguan, diyan niya yung papakita ibibigay sa iyo yung mga bagay na alam niya makakatulong sa iyo in the near future. Ibibigay niya sa iyo yung mga bagay na yan kasi kumbaga at least nalaman mo na at may susi ka na sa nangyari sa iyong failure, no? Let's see what is the angel's number. Let's see what is this angel's number. There is a 6-6. So, ibig sabihin I am positive. So, sinasabi dito, your guardian angel is teaching you the essence of unconditional love. You are encouraged to have faith that the universe will provide for you while you are manifesting your inner desires. O, di ba? Kumbaga, magtiwala ka daw na, kumbaga, yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo, kumbaga, mangyayari yan in a good way, no? Kumbaga, hindi para saktan ka lang, kundi para matutunan mo at malaman mo at sinusubukan ng tiwala at pananampalataya mo. Let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life represent return to the inner temple. So, sinasabi dito, today, I rediscover my inner self in sacred silence. In this inner temple in which I am able to calmly study the lessons life has provided me here. I regain my sense of tranquility. I retrieve my trust in the universe. But in the light of the inner temple, I now remember the value of each and every step of my life. See? Kumbaga nauunawaan mo na lahat ng mga bagay o lessons sa buhay mo ay talagang binibigay at pinagkakaloob sa'yo para matutunan mo lahat na nangyayari sa paligid mo. Hindi dahil para saktan ka at para maunawaan mo na kumbaga kahit na sinong pinagkakatiwalaan mo ay tatraidorin ka at the end of the time, no? Kumbaga meron talagang devil energy na kumbaga may sisira talaga ng eksena mo, no? So, sinusubukan dito ang katatagan at pananampalataya mo. So, guys, this is a special gabay for the month of November 6 hanggang November 15 for the sign of Aquarius. Maraming salamat, Aquarius, for your wonderful reading. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And maraming salamat sa walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik digling nag-uumapaw man ang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.